shopping market.
I want to buy some really cheap thongs so that I can put them out the front of the room. This is going to take forever, but we'll do it. I'm going to try and get a pair of men's and ladies for security reasons. They look second hand. They gotta be cheap, right? Ada untuk perempuan?
Iya,
Oh, like a pink?
yang model kayak gini,
Ah,
apa yang kayak gini ada.
okay. Satu untuk perempuan, satu untuk
Cowok.
saya.
Oh iya iya. Bosnya kayak gini.
I want the murah sekali.
Iya iya.
I don't want a special one, just a very basic,
Iya iya yang kayak gini.
very basic one.
Yang kayak gini.
Up to you.
Bosnya murah.
Yeah. Okay, so just give me two pair. The cheapest one.
What size? You try it.
10.
You try better.
I don't need to try.
Hmm?
I don't need to try.
This I have
Just put.
42, 43.
I don't know.
Fading 43.
All the same price.
This is a little bit cheaper.
Which one cheaper?
Nah, like this one.
Yeah. Okay, I want the cheaper one.
Cheap one there.
Yeah. One of those. See, I just do like this. Bigger.
More bigger.
Yep.
More bigger or
Bigger. Yeah. More bigger. I just need the really cheap one. You know why? Because I just want to put outside the room for go to the swimming pool. Not for walking. Tidak untuk jalan-jalan.
kok pintar bahasa Indonesia?
Saya coba.
Hah?
Saya coba.
Gimana kalau coba aja, Bos?
Australia.
Coba aja, coba dulu.
Coba apa? Oh, tidak bang.
Hah?
No, it's not necessary. Just something close. Like a 10.
This more bigger. More bigger.
Okay.
There.
But this one cheap or not?
Huh?
This one not cheap because it says Haviana. This one murah sekali ya. Okay, tidak apa-apa.
Ya, ini
just
dah
give me cheap. Murah untuk laki-laki. Is that man?
Yeah.
One cheap for the man, one cheap for the woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just give me the biggest one you have in those for the man. Whatever is the biggest.
This a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it's fine. This one fine. This one fine. Yeah, fine. And terus untuk perempuan.
Where you from?
Australia.
From Aussie.
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 Aussie. Oi. You been to Australia?
This a big foto. Aus? Pakai foto.
Untuk perempuan ya? Murah. Apa? Okay. So lebih baik the most feminine one. So which one is the cheapest?
This cheap.
That's the cheapest? Okay.
Cheap.
Just any size, no problem. Just small.
No problem size.
No problem. You up to you. Just give me the small one.
This little bit smaller.
Yeah, give me the small one.
This is 41. This is 40.
Yeah, number 40. Okay. Untuk both, how much is for two?
150. Come here, boss.
Oh, the dream catcher has fallen down. Is it bad luck?
One piece is there.
Oh, I don't like dream catchers. I catch my own dreams, you know.
Dream catcher.
I'm catching my own dreams. How much for two?
For two, this is cheap, yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Selling 250, 200. Just for you
$20,
150. 150, no problem.
So we can go down to maybe like in Australia we pay maybe like a $3, $2, $3 for that. So 20,000, 40,000, so 50,000.
Huh?
50,000 for the two.
Huh?
50,000 for both.
No, 50,000.
I think good. I think it's good.
Okay, good for you. No, good for me.
But I want to make good for me and also good for you.
Like this 100.
So then we go 51,000.
Huh?
51,000. Why not?
Bali.
But you said murah.
Ya, ini paling murah ini.
Hah?
Paling murah.
Huh.
Kalau lainnya, ya mahalan lagi. Enggak serius, bos. Serius.
Oh my God. Oh, I like the Hawaiian shirt. I'll tell you what, I'll come back tomorrow. But we take these two now and we do just 70,000.
Huh?
70,000.
I did love this. I did this just for you, really. Because you tomorrow coming.
Yeah.
But now with this shot.
Maybe later. Because I'm tired now. I have lunch.
Together better.
Yeah, together, yeah.
Together with this shot.
No, but together, these just two already together.
I did.
Yeah.
So where you are? Where you are now?
Where I arrive?
You are wife.
Wife. Huh?
Wife.
Apa wife?
Hah? Istri.
Oh, istri. Tidak ada.
Hah?
Tidak ada.
Ini
Saya
buat,
melihat.
ini buat siapa?
Tidak ada istri.
Ada cewek. Cantik sekali.
Where? Where do you have?
Oh, maybe okay. I call kami. Okay, for the ladies tonight, you talking with me.
Okay.
Listen, this is hour, you know. How many hour?
Yeah.
1 hour or 2 hour? 1 hour. This is maybe with from Japanese.
Yeah.
Jepang.
You don't have Japan.
Yeah, this.
Ada Japan?
Oh ada. Sama orang Jepang 800, 750 sama Jepang. Kalsa 1 jam.
It's 80. What do we say? 70 or 80? 70, right?
ID.
70.
$8.
I think 70.
Sorry, $8 already talking.
Yeah,
really.
70 is better.
You price 70, more 75.
I know.
Listen, Viagra.
Bianca.
Viagra.
You what?
Viagra.
Oh, Viagra. I don't need Viagra. What, you think I look old? I need Viagra? Oh, you need Viagra. Makasih, boss.
Okay, boss.
Thank you.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving